Hello and welcome. We're at the SWIFT African Regional Conference in Accra, Ghana. I'm with Aly Abdel Raouf, Head of Operations from QNB Alahli Egypt. And we've been discussing this morning about the payments challenges, and there was an interesting poll of the audience where they said speed was more important than predictability and transparency.
I believe that speed is the new standard for cross-border payment, and as mentioned by SWIFT, 30% are credited to end beneficiary within 30 minutes. Speed is very important. As well, tracking of the payment as well, it is very, very important, and this is the feature and the new feature for SWIFT GPI that will allow our customer to track and trace his payment instantly within 24 hours without need to referring back to us asking where is my wire.
And you obviously have different kinds of customers in the bank. So you have retail customers and business customers. I mean, are they making different demands on you? Are they asking for different things when it comes to digital payments?
From business perspective, the client, it's based on a client segmentation, whether they are retail, corporate, or SMEs, or large corporate. However, the main common driver on cross-border payment can be maybe summarized on cutting-edge and seamless digital channel, straight-through processing back office, SWIFT GPI for sure, seamless and strong correspondent banking relationship, reasonable tariff and the commission. This is very important, and this is, I believe, one of the factors that opened the new gate for the new entrants to come in and offer our customers with a digital. So we have to be more flexible with the customer, especially for the big tickets and the big transactions. As mentioned by the recent research, that there is an increase in cross-border payment by 5.6%.
Right. So that's a huge uplift. So I mean, do the banks have the capacity to deal with that at the moment, or will they have to invest in more architecture?
We have to invest more for the cross-border landscape to ensure client delight, attracting new customers just to increase our clientele base, as well promoting the bank back office operation. By 5.6% yearly, I believe that there is a business growth for the banks for the upcoming 3 to 4 years, at least in cross-border payment landscape.
Now, one of the other things that came out this morning was how mobile usage is growing in Africa 3 times faster than anywhere else in the world. Is that just on the retail side, or are people using mobile banking more for business as well?
It's more concentrated on a level of retail banking. And I believe that there is a huge opportunity for business on mobile banking. I believe that mobile banking will be the new name of the game. And this is the main gate to enhance the financial inclusion within the continent, because about 66% are listed unbanked within the continent. So I believe there is a huge business growth on the level of banks and local economies.
So with all this uptick in traffic cross-border, what would be your recommendation for payments infrastructure across the region?
Coming from our experience, QNB Alahli became the first bank within Egyptian market to adopt the SWIFT GPI, and among the firsts within the region to provide our customers with the best in class through this fintech solution. My recommendation is to start thinking deeply within the continent to adopt the SWIFT GPI, simply because the more we are around all of us, the more we can build a strong correspondent banking relationship in this very dynamic industry.